Hello everyone, welcome to Titan Web Tutorials. In this video we'll discuss the animations on the element settings. What the animations lets you do is animate your elements when they come into the screen and then they come out of the screen. For instance, and you have this on any element on the Titan Web platform, I'll hit configure on the button, I'll head over to the animation, and we have two categories. In animation, whenever the user scrolls to that part of the screen, then we will animate it with a certain animation. From here you can select a ton of animations and we will show you, for instance, let's do backing down, and we will show you how this animation will look like. So we can see it will come in from the top, and the out animation we can select, for instance, back out right, and we can re-preview, and whenever the user will leave the scope of this element, it will animate out. Let's review the animation settings. First thing we have here, the duration. Duration is how fast the animation will run. The default is 1.5 seconds. In a second we'll change that and we'll see what this does. And the delay is from whenever, right now the user loads in, since it's at the top of the page. So whenever the user comes in to that part where of the element that you're animating, or how long do we wait until we start running the animation. So we'll leave that at the default, we'll save it, and let's preview. Okay, so we get our animation, and once I scroll out, it was too fast. I can see it went away with the out animation. Let's make this animation slower. So I'll do 3 seconds and save it and preview. And we can see that our animation is running slower according to the time we've set it. Now we were able to see it when it goes out as well. And like I've mentioned in the beginning of the video, we can set it on any element. So for instance, here we have paragraph. We can set, let's do a bounce. So we'll do bounce in, and you don't have to specify an out animation, and we'll do it at 2 seconds. I'll save this. And there we have it. You can also trigger animations from condition. For instance, if I'll go to the button and I'll head over to the interactivity, and we'll take a look at the on-click configure action, can head over to effect element, select our paragraph, and then we can say animation, run animation, and then you can select whatever animation you like directly from here. So in our instance, whenever the user will click the button, we'll run the animation, and you can configure it from any condition as well. And this is how it's done.